We're smoking some Mob Boss from...
Oh, we?
Yeah, we are.
Oh. Thanks for the notice there. Shit. She just set me up, ain't she? Alright.
Sorry. We're sitting here watching this breaking news coverage team freaking...
Yeah, now the shit's backing up to fucking people's bathtubs and toilets and shit. What the fuck? Like, we're in trouble, people.
I'm worried about their houses that's got all the water in it. What about all the snakes that's going to be in their houses? That's freaking myself out over this shit.
Damn.
Anyway, I got a lot going on in here over all this flooding crap. But on a serious note, we just wanted to let y'all know, Oklahoma, Arkansas, we're praying for you, man. We're praying. I'm not scared. I'm on a hill. But I'm scared for everybody else. But anyway, all these, we just want to
give a shout out to all the Oklahoma growers, man. We're praying for you, and we hope that, you know, if your crop is damaged, you know, you can
recover fast from it.
Exactly, and we pray for that to happen also. So
yeah,
stay safe.
Yes, stay safe. Turn around, don't drown. Turn around, don't drown. Yes. They've already found, one dead body over in Barling?
No, I think it was like a 62-year-old man.
That's horrible, man. But
what is this? Straw Nana?
Yeah.
And it's like a modern day roach.
Right. It's almost gone. I need to go get another one in a bad way.
You know it's getting low whenever you like suck on it and it's hard to suck, and then you like pop it through. You're like,
yeah.
That actually tastes like lemon to me.
Like lemon? Have you tried the wedding cake ones?
No.
I think they taste good.
Smoking on Mob Boss flour.
And
you know, this is a different kind of taste. We did this like in one of our videos with making moon rocks with Mob Boss, and that was pretty fire, actually.
Yeah.
Amnesia core concentrate, and
it made me, the amnesia core made me want to eat.
Dude, like, after we did the video, we were, like, sitting here we were at the kitchen table, and she looked at me and was like, dude, it just hit me all at once. Like, I'm ready to take a nap. And I was like,
yeah.
Yep, me too.
Next thing I know, freaking I came in here and laid down, and the kids were waking me up and saying, Mama, are you okay? You're never asleep when we get in from school. You know what I mean?
You know.
There it goes again, showing it on TV. I find myself just watching the damn TV and watching the screen across the bottom of it. How horrible it is. I would not drive across that. No.
No, that's too high.
Moffett. Moffett and Wilbur Falls are both freaking overtook by the water. You know what I mean? That's horrible.
Hey, we're going to have to cut this one.
Alright, till next time.
Peace.